Hello guys, we are in hot sunny Malaysia. I am JC from Scirocco Racing, and today I'll be walking you through the installation of a boost gauge in a Volkswagen CC 1.8 Turbo. Okay, so here are the tools you're going to need. Vacuum silicone pipe, a boost gauge, of course, boost tab or boost adapter. Boost tab or boost adapter is usually only necessary for Euro or Continental cars such as Volkswagen, BMW, Audi and Mercedes. Wires, many different colors. Special tools like this flower socket, wire crimp, grounding eyelets, fuse tabs, test pan, and some basic pry tools and wiring tools. And of course, don't forget cable ties and black tape. Never ever forget this while working on a car. Yep, that's all the tools you need. Now we're going to install the boost adapter. So in the case of the Volkswagen 1.8 and 2.0 series, so you can see here, this is the engine. I'm going to pop the cover off. And in the case of Mark 6 Golf Scirocco's 1.8 and 2.0 engines, the boost tab is usually installed over here. Different cars has different locations. For example, Mercedes A250, the boost tab is installed over here. The BMW N20 engines is installed after the throttle body. So usually it's on the intake manifold. So in this case, this is the boost tab, and installation location is right around here. So this is the boost tab kit for Mark 6 1.8 and 2.0 turbo engines, usually for the Golf, Scirocco and Passat CC and all those. Okay, so in the kit you'll get a boost tab itself, a clip, 3 Allen plugs. This is for you to plug out the holes that you are not using, and also 3 fittings. What you do is you fit the fittings to holes that you want to use and plug out those that you don't want to. But be very careful while installing. Usually you are going to need some white tape to make sure that boost doesn't leak, because boost tab for Euro cars are usually very prone to leaking boost, which can be very troublesome. If you have done your installation and you need to find out where is it leaking boost from. So better be careful than sorry. And just use some white tape to make sure the joints are full. There's no gap in the middle, no chance for boost leak. And same goes for the other 2 plugs. After this, we will show you how do you install it on the intake manifold. Okay, latest update. We tried using the plugs just now, but we felt that it was going to leak boost. So what we did was, we ended up installing all 3 of the fittings, and we cut out small 4mm Scirocco pipes, vacuum pipes, silicone vacuum pipes, and we are going to plug it in and then just fold the other end and cable tie the other end, so that this is not going to leak any boost. You can also do it with a 4mm stopper, a silicone stopper, but the thing is we don't have stock for stoppers, so we are just going to improvise, and this is what we're going to do. Make sure it's tight. It may not look the best, but I'm quite sure it's going to function better than the plugs. We are going to pry open this clip over here. For Mark 6 1.8 and 2.0 engines, this is how you install the boost tab. Each engine, installation of the boost tab in each engine is different, but this is how you do it on the 1.8 and 2.0 T engines for Mark 6 and Mark 6 Golf and Sciroccos. And then you plug this end in. Okay, you hear that click, and you plug the other end in here. You can see that there is an edge here, so the clip is just going to clip the boost tab in like this. Okay, after the installation is done, make sure everything is tightened, everything is secure, and make sure, this is very important, make sure that no pipes are at a very awkward angle where the pipe is going to bend and it's going to affect the air going through. So in this case, everything is okay. Make sure everything is tight. Okay, so to plug in one end of the silicone pipe here and run it through the engine bay. Of course, not like this. This is just plain stupid. We are going to run it through the engine bay, through the firewall, and into the cabin inside. Because we will want to keep the boost sensors inside of the cockpit, so that the sensors will have a longer lifespan. Before we feed the boost pipe through, we will have to make a hole here on the rubber plug. Okay, so once that is done, we feed the pipe through before feeding it into the cabin from the engine bay. Ta-da!
Oh my god! Wow!
Next, you plug the rubber plug back in before making all before tidying up your engine bay and before tidying up your engine bay and cable tying the silicone pipe to existing pipes in the engine bay so that it looks neat and tidy. The boost gauge is not moving because the pipe is not connected yet. So now, as you can see here, the pipe is connected. The boost gauge is showing a vacuum reading, which means we have succeeded. And if you boom, 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 the boost gauge should move. Piping has been hidden. Okay, it's not in the way of the brake pedal or the gas pedal. Everything is tucked in nicely. Secure. Oh, where is it? I don't know where is it. Okay, but the thing is, it's out here now.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man!
So, boy, we just trim off the excess and connect it to the boost sensor. And we are done. This will be tucked in later nicely too. And other than that, that's about it. Installation is done now. Everything is tucked back in. And now we shall go for a test drive. Bye! Bye. Installation for Volkswagen Passat 1.8 Turbo is done. Oops. Okay, everything is functioning properly, everything is done. So if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment below. If you want to buy this boost gauge or that particular boost tab or the silicone vacuum hose or fuse or whatever, you can look for us at www.sokuracing.com, or you can visit our Instagram page sokuracing6666 or our Facebook page Soku Racing on Facebook, or you can WhatsApp Boy at 016-679-3357. So be it if you want to buy the boost gauge from us, or you just want to look us up for some advice during installation, we can do it, no problem. Even if you are not buying the boost gauge, the boost tab from us, you can come and let us give you our opinion on, is this boost tab good, is this boost gauge good, how should you do the installation. So okay, that's it. We will see you in the next video.